we have a wide selection of appointments.
Mm,
But
no one.
yeah, no one has been using it lately. But how you do it, mark the time period like so. Polite, maximum 3 hours at a time. Mark your apartment number, C10, and one of your last name example that you have made the appointment. Quite simple.
Yes.
Okay, then let's check how does the machines work. Turning the power on. Tuosta noin auki. Laundry in. Close the hatch. Then we have 4 different lockers. Number 1 for pre-wash if you're using stain removers or such. Number 2 for actual wash if you're using powder. Picture with the bottle if you're using liquid. And if you're using a softener or bleach, the flower image. Now, are you using liquid or powder? No need to fill it full. If you're using powder, 1 or 2 spoons, depending how much laundry do you have. If you're using liquid, maybe 1 cork. Those in there. Then we select the program. Basically, these are the 3 normal programs. The difference with these is the temperature of the water. 40 degrees, 60 degrees, 95 degrees. For my normal laundry, I would be using 40. If I would be laundering bed sheets or such, I would be using 60. We have the 40 degrees program selected. Then we have addition selections. Fast program, the guy with running legs, makes the program a little bit faster. I wouldn't be using it because it doesn't make a big difference 10 minutes. If we have add something for the pre-wash, then we need to also add the pre-wash. So it includes the liquid that you have put in. And additional water on the end. When we have selected the program, extra options start. Okay. It's 47.
Yeah. You can only this one and
yeah, basically 40 and start.
Start. Basic.
Now, important, when you're done using it, leave all the hatches open so the machine has time to dry out. It's not been let wet and start to moil or anything like that. And power off.
Is it dry or wet?
That's the reason why there's a dryer next to it. Same thing, power on. Wet laundry in. We choose the program. There's program 1, 2, and 3. What's the difference? 1 really dry, 2 cabinet dry, 3 moist, good for ironing. So number 1 if you want them as dry as possible. Then you can basically ignore all the other selections, you don't need them.
Okay, enter, start.
P1, start. Again, when it's done, remember to clean, because it collects all the dust here. And if there's dust when you start the program, at some point it will overheat and break down. So it's important you clean after.
How to clean? Just wipe?
Yeah, just wipe. Take a broom there and just. Leave it open. Turn the power off. Quite simple.
Yes. And leave it just open like that.
Yeah.
Okay. Just leave it open.
We can start.
Exactly the same way. On the back side, there's a place for 9-voltage battery. It's just connected like so. When you put the battery, the hinge needs to go down. If it's like this, it's not working. So the hinge needs to go down. Now it's set. In the front, there is one button. In this model, one big one, might be a smaller one, but there's always one button in the front. When you press it, like it says test, it will make the alarm sound. You need to test it, that it works once a month. At least.
Just push this one.
Just push and hold, makes the alarm sound. Not connected to anything, so fire department doesn't rush over if it goes on. It just makes the alarm sound when it detects smoke. That's for you. If you're sleeping, it will wake you up, hopefully, if you're not too heavy sleepers. And if you're not home, hopefully your neighbors can hear it and call the fire department. Comes off from the ceiling or the roof, but just by twisting. Yeah. If you
Fire alarm.
Smoke detector.
That's the what I told you when you get fire or smoke in the
Smoke detector.
Well, I will teach this all separately. I'm just